sit.
No, we're gonna pull out on the road.
Why?
Do you think he knows when it's gonna move? Or change?
He's probably got an idea. He's got a radio.
Why are we gonna pull up on the road?
Well, it might stay your leg.
No, I think he knows. I think they told him.
Wasn't the lights off?
Yeah.
Is his lights back
But
on?
he has a radio where they talk.
I understand, but is his light on now?
Yeah, he's getting ready. So I said 1:15. Let's see if it changes then.
Finally.
Let's see. I said 1:15.
Fine, but it's probably a short train. I want to see long.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty. I said 1:15. Let's see if I'm right. You think I'm right?
I don't know.
Mom,
I say we take it back.
Mom, buckle.
All right, good job.
We're just waiting a second.
Alrighty, let's see. Let's see if I'm right. I say 1:15. What do you say, Dad?
Abram's messing up my video. Thanks, but man.
He didn't mess up your video.
Yeah, I did.
Why?
I said 1:16.
Because you said, Mom, I'm buckled now.
He didn't mess up your video.
Yeah, but he keeps...
Mom's talking. He didn't say
Yeah, I'm
shit.
talking.
I know, but it just... There's people on YouTube, it distracts them.
Really?
Really? You're the one talking most of the time.
You're still filming the train.
Turn off the camera then real quick and start recording again.
No, I'm just gonna keep recording because the light's on, isn't it?
What light?
Did it shut back off?
Are you starting to get an attitude again?
No.
Yeah.
I just want to see the
Alright,
train. I
let's
didn't
go out the
see it
window.
yet.
Do what? Roll down your window?
Unlock it. Hot in here.
Dad, I want to roll down my window.
No.
But why? Please? Dad, please.
Here. I don't know. Weird. Not moving yet. Okay. We'll wait 5 minutes, and if it doesn't move in 5 minutes, I can stop recording. Oh, where's with that noise? I keep hearing that. Where's that noise? I'm trying to get... Oh, when it comes, I'm gonna wait, so. 4 minutes left. So I stop recording if it doesn't move. Hey guys, this is gonna be train 30 for this week. CN 2665 from Richmond and northbound. Then we heard it after the fireworks, so. After the New Haven fireworks, it's getting ready to move, and as soon as they change the yellow to stay there red, I think it's going to change the yellow. That one. Holy crap. That's why I need your plug. No, stop. I want to get the signal.
Gabe, I can't.
Okay. Damn it.
Well, you gotta wait until that gate goes down.
Oh, I thought it was. What's that sound then?
Can we have the horn?
I'll close the signal.
Move your camera for a minute.
God damn it.
Is the gate going down yet? When will the gate go down?
Just a second.
When it gets closer. That's where the CN truck, it might stop.
Dad, roll down my window.
You gotta be full.
Be patient. Jesus Christ.
Woohoo! Yay!
No, I'm leaving. God.
No, I said you who.
That stupid CN truck is there.
So what's wrong with that?
You know what? Here.
You can't do that.
Guys, here comes this train. And I'm gonna head. $26.65.
He held that horn for like 15, 20 seconds.
There might be a southbound after.
Just now, take it.
1, 2.
Oh, okay, sorry, buddy.
Jesus Christ. You know what? I'm tired of writing my video. Message 4, 5. I'm just counting the cars. I hope it's a long one. 6. I doubt it, but I mean it might be. I'm not sure. It's pretty long. I don't know why. I don't know. It's the same one we heard at the fireworks. Ah. Maybe there'll be a southbound. Maybe the southbound, maybe a night southbound. I haven't seen a night southbound in a long time, Mom. Damn, finally. I'm tired of these fucking lights. I'm tired of these lights. I want to be very careful. I got money to drop it. You know. Sorry about that, guys. Here's the train. Maybe we'll see another one after this. Hold on. Dang it. Alright, fine, it's not bad. Stopping? He's in the yard. Wait, if I was to take a whole train, it's not gonna count. Stop. Ridiculous. Oh, it's gonna move again, don't worry. Even if it stops, it'll still move.
It looks like it. Dad, it looks like it.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
A long train.
Yeah, he's stopping. Why is this train stopping?
Stop.
Dad, I have a question.
What?
Is it gonna stop?
Why, train, why?
Probably.
This is a night train and it's stopping? Seriously?
Nighttime construction shop.
God damn, it's a long video.
My book. So, Dad. Stopping. It stopped. Mom, it stopped. It stopped.
Can do what?
Dad, it
Guys, now
stopped.
she can see me through the mirror.
It stopped.
What?
Dad,
See me through the mirror.
Dad, it
Yeah.
stopped.
He's moving, but very slow.
Dad, it stopped.
So he's probably gonna stop for a second.
It stopped.
It didn't stop yet. It's still moving.
It stopped. It said
I don't even see the end yet. Wow.
I said what? Why is that so important?
Long. You know? Might be another westbound. Slowing down, there might be another one coming west. Or it might be, maybe he has to, maybe a southbound has to get through. Usually night southbounds are cool.
Don't do that.
Just for the video. Okay, I'm sorry, Jesus Christ. I think I see the end. Can't tell.
No.
He's slowing down big time.
No, he's actually picking up back. It looks like he's picking
It's a long train. Is this the one we all heard at the fireworks?
Don't know.
It was. Same horn. I heard it during the fireworks. It was actually after the fireworks. It's a long one. Oh, it's a long train, man. Yeah, he's starting to speed up now. Now he's starting to go towards Canada. Right on.
Good. And this one is picking up wax.
Is that the end right there?
I don't know. It looks like it.
Yep. Alright guys, that's all for now. Good luck both ways, Mom. Alright guys, bye. I'm gonna stop the video. Bye. Port Huron, Michigan.
Fishing later.